Hey guys, so I gave SimCat 11 and I got 43 marks. I know I messed up pretty bad. So I'll tell you what happened. I I got 30 in VARC, 7 in DILR, and 6 in cons. I messed up really bad in DILR. So I got 12 correct in VARC and I think 6 wrong, and then 2 correct in LRDI and 5 wrong. But the good part is that all those 5 were from uh, थीटा क्वेश्चन. सो मुझे नेगेटिव ज़्यादा नहीं मिला उससे, एंड बिकॉज़ आई मेस्ड अप DLR, तो उसकी वजह से क्वांट में मेरा पूरा इफ़ेक्ट हो गया. मेरा माइंड, I wasn't able to think straight. I was like, okay, I fucked it up. I wasn't able to solve questions which I would be otherwise able to, and that's what made my marks very low. So in VRC, in the first RC itself, I got 2 wrong, and in the second RC, every questions I got them right. In the third RC, also I got them right, and in the last RC, I got 2 wrong again. So that's 2 to 4 wrong, and then 2 wrong in uh, VA section. And yeah, that's pretty much about VRC. So one thing I've noticed about VA is that the para summary questions are very tough to solve. So generally, I do them, but you would agree with me कि जो आंसर्स होते हैं बहुत करीब होते हैं, लाइक थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है, वो बहुत माइन्यूट होता है और वो पकड़ में नहीं आता है. तो देयर इज a great chance or a bigger chance that you would go for the wrong answer because the difference is very minute. So I've thought that I'll skip para summaries from the next one. So this is my strategy for VRC because I'm doing wrong in para summary only. My para completion is okay, and odd one out, I think I'm doing okay. I only got wrong in para summary. Coming to DLR, I actually picked up the wrong set. I went to that set of data interpretation. There was graph of warehouse A and B, and I wasted like more than 15 minutes of my time in that. I only got, I think, one question right, I think. And then after that, I went to the chess one, the Divya, and they were playing chess. And yeah, it's an arrangement question basically. I solved it. I almost solved it, but then I don't know what happened. I was like, okay, now I'll try to answer the questions. And then I answered the question. I got many wrong in that. So I got 5 wrong, but uh, I think 3 was from the data interpretation theta questions, and I think 1 only wrong in uh, the Divya one. And then I went to the roots and networks, but then I realized that the roots and network is actually moderate, like it will take time. So I skipped that, and then I went back to the Parakit one, and then I wasted that my time there. I thought it was easy, but it wasn't easy. Yeah, so I realized that I messed it up, and when I had like 2 minutes left, तो उसके बाद मैं बोला कि बस खत्म अब तो. फिर कॉन्स में मेरा पूरा वही दिमाग में चल रहा था कि हाउ आई मेस्ड इट अप, and it didn't let me think straight, and I fucked it up. So this is my learning. I'll try to pick better sets in DLR from the next time. uh, I'll go for the easy ones. If I see an arrangement set, I'll just go for it. Like I should have, or maybe I should have gone for the voter one. I think that was very easy, and I saw the numbers. I was like, this is vague. I didn't even read it. I was like, nah, this doesn't seem familiar. I just went to data interpretation set, and it was actually very lengthy. So yeah, I strategized that I'll pick the sets in LRDI in a better way. I'll first give them a 1 or 2 minutes read and then decide if they are doable or not. And then if I'm able to solve them under 8 minutes, I'll do that. If I'm not, I'll give them 2 minutes more. If I'm not still able to solve it, I'll move on to the next one. So yeah, this is it. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.